Very good morning. Again, I am Rajneesh here. Again, I will extend my topic again on the assigned topic as per your syllabus, that is the scheme equality. In my previous class, we discussed over the real sense of the equality, the zenith and the climax, and the very good thing of the equality that there should not be given any privileged, any special care to the anyone, but the equal opportunity to be given to the everyone. This is the important concept to promote the equality. So, the equal opportunity is a very important instrument to make the citizen on an equal mode. This is the rational, this is the logical. But somehow in our country or where there is the democracy, there is some human values. We cannot make a minus to the deprived class. We cannot make a minus to the even the downtrodden people, STs, SCs, women, even the minority, where the education level is the very less. So here the state or a nation calls for some legal need, and that must be constitutionally approved. Here in the India is also like that country. Here the article 5 article is the fully and the primarily legalized. Here right to equality and the constitutionalized article, the article 14, that takes care of the state shall deny to the any person equality before the law on equal protection of the law within the territory of the India on the ground of the region, race, religion, caste, sex and the place of the birth. Means the points are the region, race, religion, caste, sex and the place of birth are an important factor. On this basis, we cannot make it equal. Here, the Article 15 directs the state shall not discriminate against the race, reason, religion, place of the birth, race, caste, sex, and the place of the birth. Whereas the Article 16 proclaims there shall be equality of all the opportunity of all citizens in the matter relating to the employment or appointment to the any office under the state office. Means state में जो भी office है वहाँ at the time of the appointment and employment and the appointment, there should be must equality. Article 17, this is more concerned with the social curse of our country, abolition of the untouchability. And whereas finally Article 18, the abolition of the titles except the military and the academic, like the Veer Chakra, Paramveer Chakra, Shaurya Chakra, that comes with the military awards and the academic awards like the Bharat Ratna, Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, etc. This is basically a legal articles which has been provided to the Indian citizen from the side of the constitution. This is fully legalized. Here, exception of the article. These are the articles well in the black and the white, but there are some exception of the article. Under the Article 16th right of the equality. Under the Article 16 exception of the right to equality or opportunity in the matter of the public employment are provided to protect the interest of the weaker and the vulnerable section of the society such as women, poor, people, children, backward class, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and the minorities. Means we are in the Lok Kalyankari Rajya, we are in the democracy. It becomes a responsibility for a nation as well as the head that to look after of the deprived class, and also including the women, children, STs, SCs, and along with the minorities and the deprived and the poor people. So these are the exception. India is doing well. The one word is the reservation has been given to them, and the more facilities and the more safeguarding has been also given to the from the side of the constitution of the India to the local people. So this is the thing we must take care of it, and this is the important one. Means in the previous topic I discussed about the equality, what is the soul and what the really the vision of the equality. Today I discussed how does the constitution of the India constitutionalize the article and what are the exception of the articles. So in the meantime, India is a very diverse country. One article is not sufficient to look after all the needs, because India is the very vast and the diverse country. So we have been given the 14, 15, 16 and 17 and the 18 article, but the real sense of the equality to take the all, the class and the creed, the region and the religion, even the gender, into the mainstream of the democracy, so that country can develop. In the meantime, I am taking goodbye.